In the dilapidated warehouse, a 160 million Porsche Cayenne. It has been parked for 368 days. I only spend 1/10 of the price of the car to get it from the boss. Ready to give him a new life? 10 times the value. You think I can do it? The boss who made an appointment with us also came over. After a brief exchange, it was found that this old car also carried the sadness of most entrepreneurial bosses. It's been here since 22 years. But because of the mask thing, it's always been here. At this time, the owner told us the reason why the car was left here in 22 years. What about this factory? Can't rent it out. Have I emptied all my equipment now? Well, it has become a parking lot for employees. He became a parking car. Then the car has been put all the way here. It looks like a lot of ash to you. At that time, a car dealer offered him a price to sell, but it was too much, but it was too cheap. It wasn't sold. As a result, the car is now wow. The price has dropped. I received your video at the back saying that you just changed the car, repaired the car, and collected the car, right? Then I hope Lao Zhang will take the car back. So how much do you want to pay? 1 to 100,000. 100,000? The scene is low right now. Maybe you won't receive it, big brother Zhang. My car is just for you to pack after a long time. All other problems are gone. The owner's offer is too high for Lao Zhang to accept. Brother, this car 100,000 yuan should not be bought or sold, and I can't find a car. I can't see the car either. Why don't I call my colleague and ask him to come over and look for the car? Let's take a look at the situation first, okay? Okay, hello. Heng told me and I will send you a location. Come here and get a battery. It will take a while for our master to come. If the car can start smoothly, in the case of, as long as it's not too bad, if the price is lower, taking it is also a discussion of the boss's wish. Normally, I don't do such a high-risk thing. Because fans love to watch it. I did it and I did traffic. Then why did I dare to do it? Because I did it in 2002, and now I have been doing 20,000 cards for 23 years. It's all maintenance, modification, and upgrading. We're all doing it. Fans love to watch what I do. The master we notified was present. First check the car to see if it can start normally. In the process of pumping up, let's take a look at the interior first. Although there is a lot of dust, but the skins are still in good condition. All are original leather. Under the discussion of the owner and Lao Zhang for a period of time, eventually the car was sold to us for $60,000. The car must be washed first when driving back, then also lift to inspect the chassis and mechanical parts. We knew it was risky, but we went ahead and did it anyway. The second step is to open a disassembly and assembly workshop inspection. Master Wang. Hello, boss. Help me lift this car up and check it out. Check the car keys for you. Okay, it's still pretty new to wash it up. Let's reach up and take a look. Come to Kaigi to check. Come and check, please. Look, it's obviously leaking oil. Wow, there's an oil leak here. There's an oil leak here. There's an oil leak here. Yeah, there's an oil leak. You see, right? You see, this gearbox is also leaking oil. You can see that there is a wind leakage behind it. Look, it's all leaked here. Lao Zhang is checking the condition of the car with the master. Fans, have I been tricked? Lao Zhang was fooled and still so happy. That's because Lao Zhang is very confident in our Guangchang technology. It allows us to show our talents. In order to understand where the oil leaked, we took the engine down and overhauled it. Then push it to a special engine overhaul workshop for disassembly and assembly. When we dissect all the parts of it, it was only then that the cause of the oil leakage was actually caused by the aging of the sealing strip. Then take the parts to our engine ultrasonic cleaner to clean the oil stains of the parts. As mentioned just now, the oil leakage is caused by the aging of the rubber layer, so we used a glue beater to give him a new layer of glue. Then reassemble the engine components. 2011 Cayenne 3.6 self-priming engine. Hidden 2000 energy parts. Each one is engraved with a code that cannot be wrong. Let's go back to before dismantling the engine. The interior was also disassembled according to the original plan. Disassembling the interior and exterior of the Porsche Cayenne. The whole process is about energy and machinery. The bully interior is full of invisible screws and thick, fragile buckles. A little force may scratch the missing handle or tear the number of lines. There are no shortcuts. Every step has to be patient and slowly advance. If the paint is too old. Before we spray paint, we scrape it with atomic ash. Sandpaper is repeatedly ground. Don't let go of every depression. Don't ignore every flaw. Secure every basic line of defense. We repaint it. Spray him black and green. That's the heart of the upgrade. It is the first layer of imported capskin from Germany by day. The feel of the material is natural and warm. The characteristics of Bordeaux red with its own sense of luxury are more in line with Porsche's high-end positioning. The Queen of Bordeaux, who has been upgraded to real leather, is not seen every day. It needs to be reinstalled. Precise alignment, to be tight-fitting and not loose. Every detail is in accordance with the original factory standards. Cycle swing arm aging. In order to restore the original control texture, place the swing arm chassis and return it to a tight state. The perfect ending.